So for 24, we just want to find an accurate interpretation of this chart to put right here, right before it. So let's read a little bit of context. So the otters help the kelp. They do this by feeding on sea urchins and other herbivorous invertebrates that graze voraciously on kelp. So with sea otters to keep the population of sea urchins in check, kelp forests can flourish. Okay, so otters just pretty much eat everything that eats kelp. In fact, 2 years or less of sea otters can completely eliminate sea urchins. Is that the case in the graph? No. Here we have otters present for 2 years or less, and here you still have some small presence of sea urchins, right? So this is not a correct interpretation. So we don't want A. What about B? Even 2 years or less of sea otter presence can reduce the sea urchin threat. Well, we definitely see that, right? We definitely see that it reduces from here to here, so that's correct. C, kelp density increases proportionally as sea urchin density decreases. Well, you're not really, it's not really obvious that it's the case, and you're not here to calculate that out mathematically. We don't know whether or not it increases proportionally. So this relationship you can't just get from this graph. So C is not going to be an accurate description. And D, even after sea otters were present for 10 years or more, kelp density was still lower than sea urchin density. That's definitely not true because we see that the kelp density is very high and sea urchin density is not even visible. So B is going to be our answer here.